Welcome to WebStyleRust. Do you want input field to grow like this as you type by using only CSS? Or do you want the text area that grows vertically as you type by using only CSS? If yes, then this tutorial is for you. CSS is evolving and we can handle many things in CSS now that were only possible with JavaScript before. We have input and text area. If I type in these, it is like this. Let's give these some style to adjust their look and feel. And here it is. Input some padding, minimum width, text area, width, min height, and font size. Now they look better than before. Okay, we see this scroll bar when text goes beyond available space. Right now they are not growing with the text. To make them grow, we'll have to use field sizing, CSS property with value content. Now input is growing, but it's going beyond screen. We can control it by using max width. So now it stops growing at certain point. And the text area is like this. If we enter more text, the text area grows with the text. Text area grows as we type. Before it was not possible. It was possible by using JavaScript. Now CSS can do that by using this property, field sizing content. Field sizing property is experimental feature yet. It can be fixed, content, revert, layer, or unset. Browser support is limited yet, but it's good to know that this property exists. Let me know how this property can help you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.